Hey folks, this is Michael at MedicareSavings.us. If you are new to lowering down your Medicare Supplement Plan Premium, the big thing is that you have to health qualify into those lower rates. And so I'm going to give you a little case study here that happened last week with someone that was age 77 female in Mississippi, where we helped her qualify into lowering her rate. Now, before we get into the rates, these are standardized and federally regulated plans. And so let's go to the source, Medicare.gov, how to shop or how to choose a Medigap policy booklet. And so you can go there. We'll have a link below, but obviously you can learn about the Medigap and traditional Medicare and the 100% coverage if you go to the Medicare.gov. And then on page 11 here, it shows all the standardized plans, and since they're standardized, whatever company offers, for example Plan F, which is very popular, is the exact same standardized Plan F that the rest of the companies have. But the interesting part about it is on page 19 you'll see the verbiage on comparing Medigap policies. In bold, there can be big differences in the premiums that different insurance companies charge for exactly the same coverage. So you got to compare apples to apples. So a Plan F with one company is the exact same Plan F with every other company, about 30 to 35 companies in the state. And so just to give you an example, real life case study that happened last week I hate to date this, but January of 2018, this female, age 77, was paying right around 200, and let's look at the real value of her plan, $242.75 a month. She got another rate increase from this company, AARP, United Healthcare. She's been on the plan for a little while, and as you can see, that's not even the top tier. And so I'm going to take this this text off so that way you guys can see. So it looks like she was paying $242.75, and she actually tried to qualify before. And so what we do is make sure that if you can qualify, we let you know, obviously know which companies are available to you, but then let's see what the amount of savings and see where it can go from there. And so for the exact same standardized Plan F, she got it for $162.54 at the date of this recording. Now that is a lot of savings. She saved around $882 in the first year alone because it is a 12-month lock-in rate. And so we don't leave you high and dry. We make sure you get something in your hand first, so that way you can compare. There's a free 30-day look-back period by law to make sure that's everything that we discussed. And then from there, I don't know why I had that up, but from there we make sure that, if most folks like the savings, they keep the savings and they can easily cancel out the other plan. It's a very simple process. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes just to see if you could possibly qualify. If you can, not everyone can. If you can, we'll let you know the options and see which one is the best for you. We are licensed and trusted by all of these companies to make sure that we can qualify folks, and that's where our legwork comes in, is that we call the companies directly to see if you would be able to qualify, to see if those savings are the same as what is in the quote engine, because you got to make sure, you got to have an advocate for you looking at those rates, because as you can see, this person was overpaying for their coverage. And I'm going to give the TV example here. No one likes to overpay for a TV, right? You can go on Amazon now, you can go online, you can go to the wholesalers, you can go to your electronics store, and you can also buy them used, but you are going to shop your plan. And so with Medicare supplements, with Medigap plans, you're able to shop your plan, but why not have somebody who's licensed? Why not somebody who will be an advocate for you year after year, so you don't have to spend your time, your energy being a licensed agent, because that's what you're trying to do, and see if you can qualify. If you can, get something in your hand. And so what we do is make sure that big difference, or even that little difference, we try to put it back into your household, into that generation that has worked so hard for their benefits. And so if you have any questions at all, me and my team can be reached at 888-608-0654. It'll be a pleasure talking with you. There's obviously no obligation chat, but see if you can qualify and let us know if we can help you at all. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.